How to cancel Boost mobile plan online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Boost mobile app, or you can visit the boostmobile.com via any sort of browser, right? So after getting into there, here what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. So after successfully logging into your account, what you're going to do is simply tap on the gear-like icon right here, and after doing that, you'll now get into the settings of your Boost, right? So after getting into your settings, tap on my account, and after doing that, you will be able to see auto pay settings. Keep on scrolling until you find auto pay settings, and then you can tap on that one, and then what you're going to do is simply toggle off the auto pay. Boost is prepaid. Disabling the auto pay lets the plan expire without any auto renewal, right? So make sure to turn off that auto pay. Then if porting out, you can now request your account PIN via customer service, and then you can like simply give that PIN to your another service provider, and just like that, you'll be able to cancel your Boost mobile plan online.